I'm going to talk today about Google Classroom and how to use and implement Google Classroom. So this is a timeline of the curriculum that I have developed for the teachers at my school on how to use and implement Google Classroom into their daily routines. So this Google Classroom PD, it will be a 3-hour PD. It will be targeted towards kindergarten, first, and second grade teachers, and the focus will be on creating and sharing assignments. So based upon the needs assessment I completed a couple weeks ago, they showed that these teachers were unsure as to how to create assignments, and they really were not sure how to use the Google Classroom tools with the younger students. So this PD is geared towards showing them some strategies and activities and things that they can do with their younger kiddos. So to start off, so from 9 to about 9:10, so for about 10 minutes, I will have 7 or 8 different computers around the room that have Google Classrooms pulled up on them, and teachers will be able to go around and look at all the different Google Classrooms and how different teachers have certain things set up. So I kind of called it a Google Classroom gallery, just so they can kind of get an idea and get their brain thinking as to what we're going to be talking about today. And then from 9:10 to 9:30, I am going to have any teachers who have not set up Google Classroom yet with their students, I'm going to have them create a Google Classroom, and then I'm going to have them join our PD Google Classroom that we will be using during the actual professional development. So from 9:30 to 9:10, or from 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I will be sharing in our professional development Google Classroom. I will be sharing a writing prompt with the audience. So they will get on and I will show them how to assign the writing prompt, and then they will see it on their Google Classroom side, and they will then be pulling up the assignment and actually completing the assignment. So if I open up the writing prompt, this is where it will take them, and they will be writing about what hurdles they face while implementing Google Classroom. So not only is this writing going to give me information as the presenter, it's also going to give them an idea of a way that they could create a writing prompt with their students in their classroom. So from 10 to 11, they will be working within their grade level to collaborate and create a Google slide. So I'm going to let them do whatever topic they want to do, and they'll have an agenda, a shared agenda with them that will also be posted in our PD Google Classroom. And they will just find their grade level, and they'll be able to open up their blank PowerPoint, and they will all be working on the same PowerPoint. So they will be working as a team to create and share a PowerPoint. And then from 11 to 11:15, we'll be doing a formative assessment. This formative assessment will be on Kahoot. So teachers will be on their devices, and I will have Kahoot up on my board, and we will be going through and answering some questions, and I'll kind of be able to gauge what teachers are understanding and what they're not understanding based on the data. And then from 11:15 to 11:45, teachers will be allowed to work within their own Google Classrooms and ask questions as needed. So they'll be able to kind of explore and utilize some of the tools and tips that I have already given them on how to create and share assignments. And then the last thing they will be doing is their summative assessment. So when you open up their summative assessment, I just use Google Forms. So super simple for them to just open up this link and then fill out what they think, how the PD went, and some things that maybe they're still working on, things that they still want to learn. That way, if they still need any assistance with anything, I have that info and I can help them in any way that I can.